Hi, welcome to New Mexico, the land of enchantment. Truth or Consequences is located 145 miles south of Albuquerque, 41 miles north from the chili capital of the world, and 120 miles from the Mexican border. We are surrounded by the Caballo Mountains, the Gila National Forest, Elephant Butte Lake, and the Rio Grande River. Tier C was originally named Hot Springs for our natural flowing hot water. However, in 1950, Hot Springs changed its name to the title of the popular game show hosted by Ralph Edwards. Hi, I'm Isabel Garcia from Truth or Consequences Middle School in New Mexico. Welcome to my computer classroom. I currently teach 3 computer classes, 1 math class, and 1 advanced leadership class, as well as assist my colleagues with technical difficulties. I've been teaching the past 16 years in the very same middle school that I attended. For our project, I am lucky to be assisting my lifelong friend and colleague, Rebecca Bartu's 8th grade science classes. Ms. Bartu and I share a lot of the same students. In fact, the Nat Geo ambassadors are also a part of my leadership team. My job as a tech educator is to assist any student or teacher with technology. I have a revolving door with students constantly in and out of my classroom working on a variety of projects, including this Nat Geo project. TCMS just recently acquired 100 iPads for student use. Since this would be the main tool for the Nat Geo project, I decided to educate all students on how to use different applications to enhance their learning.
And then go up here and push add.
Students made slideshow presentations in Keynote, Word documents using pages, and graphs using numbers as shown here. Then students used all of these tools to incorporate into an iMovie.
And then let's move it up here. So slide it up.
For our Nat Geo project, students were asked to find what affects our entire student population. Using iPads to document their observations, students were curious and adventurous in exploring our campus. After coming up with many topics, they decided to focus on the fact that TCMS students have limited access to drinking water. In Phase 2, students were divided into teams to collect geographic information. Through their research, they discovered even more problems that affect our students, such as water bottle waste and the use of harmful products such as styrofoam. In Phase 3, students compared and analyzed their data and created maps to identify the lack of plumbing and the lack of working water fountains. Students then put all of their research, photos, and findings on a presentation board. In Phase 4, all teams collaborated to make an iMovie to create their geo-inquiry story so they would be able to clearly share everything they learned with possible solutions to present to others. Through their research and findings, students created a video that they presented to the entire TCMS student body, grades 6 through 8. The Nat Geo ambassador team also presented at our school board meeting. Then they went to Tier C Rotary Club meeting to present their findings. Next, they went to Moose Lodge to share their presentation. And finally, they went to the American Legion at Elephant Butte. This entire Nat Geo process has shown our students they can make a difference through research, communication, and problem-solving skills. Our maintenance crew is currently in the process of installing these brand new fountains. Through their work, our students found other problems and are currently working on solutions such as eliminating styrofoam trays in the cafeteria, making benches outside, and starting a campus greenhouse. More importantly, students learn the power of their voices through public speaking, which seems to be a lost art with our youth. Students presented their findings to various business professionals and organizations, so our adult community will have a sense of confidence in this generation. informed on what these students have discovered and how they are investing in our future.